Hello everyone. In this video I am going to discussing about recursion. This presentation contains definition of recursion, types of recursion, simple programs and limitations. First one is definition. What is recursion? Recursion is the process of repeating items in a self-similar way. In programming languages, if a program allows you to call a function inside the same function, then it is called as recursive call of a function. The C programming language supports recursion, that is, a function to call itself. But while using recursion, programmers need to be careful to define an exit condition from the function. Otherwise, it will go to an infinite loop. Recursion functions are very useful to solve many mathematical problems, such as calculating the factorial of number, Fibonacci series, etc. How to recursion works? Void recursion. Recurse. This is function definition. Recurse. Recursive call. That means it goes to here. Int main of recurse. Here goes to here. Then it is called as recursion. The recursion continues until some condition is made to prevent it. To prevent infinite recursion, if-else statement or similar approach can be used where one branch makes the recursive call, another does not. When a function calls itself, a new set of local variables and the parameters are allocated storage on the stack. And the function code is executed from the top with these new variables. A recursive call does not make a new copy of the function. Only the value being operated upon are new. As each recursive call returns, the old local variable and parameters are removed from the stack, and execution resumes immediately after the recursive call inside the function. The main advantages of recursive functions is that we can use them to create clearer or simpler versions of several programs. Next, limitations of recursion. It is slower than its iterative solution. For each step, we can make a recursive call to a function. It may cause stack overflow if the recursion goes too deep to solve the problem. It is difficult to debug and trace the values with each step of recursion. Types of recursion. Direct recursion and indirect recursion. First one is direct recursion. A C function is directly recursive if it contains an explicit call to itself. Here is the example. Int function of int a, if x less than or equal to 0, return x, else return function of x minus 1. This is direct recursion. Next, indirect recursion. A C function is indirectly recursive if it calls to another function, which ultimately calls the function itself, is called indirect recursion. Here is the example for indirect recursion. Int function 1 of int a, if x less than or equal to 0, return x, else return function 2, it goes to here only. So this is called as indirect recursion. Tail recursion. A recursive function is said to be tail recursive if there are no pending operations to be performed and returned from a recursive call. A tail recursive function is said to return the value of the last recursive call as the value of the function. Tail recursion is very desirable because the amount of information which must be stored during the computation is independent of the number of recursive calls. Next, non-tail recursion. A recursive function is said to be non-tail recursive if there are some pending operations to be performed on return from a recursive call. So this is the presentation about recursion. Thank you.